Have you ever faced this problem that whenever someone says that speak in English, your mind goes suddenly blank? You don't have something to say. You forget all the learnings. You just got blank and you don't know what to say next. Hi guys, this is Manas and today is the day 11 of my 100 days English speaking challenge. Trust me guys, when I started my English speaking journey, I also faced this problem. When I was alone, I used to work a lot on my English speaking, but when it comes to speak, I got totally blank. Words disappeared from your mind. Words disappear from your mind. You feel very pity and embarrassed. If this also happens with you, watch this video till the end because today I will tell you why this happens and how to fix it. So, first of all, I want to say that don't think negative about yourself. It is a problem, and every problem has a solution. You just have to work on it. So, stop feeling embarrassing about it. You just need to work. You just need some practice. First of all, let's understand about why you got blank. First, let's understand why your mind goes blank. So the biggest issue is your fear. You fear that people will laugh. You will make mistakes about your pronunciation, about your grammar. You fear a lot. When you have this kind of fear in your mind, you got panic. Your mind gets in panic mode. And when you are in panic mode, your mind cannot think clearly. Now it is very easy. Now you should understand that this is not English problem. This is a psychological problem. Now listen carefully. Why your mind got blank? First of all, they think in Hindi, then translate it to English, then check their grammar mistakes. In the mind, this is going. All things are going in their mind when they are in conversation in between some two peoples, and by the time thinking all of this, your mind gets blank and you will start feeling embarrassed. You have to understand that English is not a math exam. You don't need such calculation. It is just a skill, and a skill just need practice. More you practice, more you will refine in that skill. Okay, so now when we have understood the problem, so let's talk about quick fixes for this problem. So I will tell you top 3 steps to solve this problem. So the number 1 is stop translating in your head. Make sure that you are not translating Hindi into English in your head. Start using simple sentences. You just need to use small and simple sentences. Like you don't need to say, I need to say something maybe like kind of these things. Just say, I think. I think is the very simple. Simple is powerful because when you try to be fluent by making long sentences, you end up getting worse. And the point number 2 is use the broken English rule. So, what this rule means is speaking wrong or right. You just don't need to think about it. Just start speaking. Firstly, you will say something wrong, but by the time you will practice, you will get it right. Think of children around you. When they start speaking Hindi, at the beginning, they say wrong, but by the time they practice, they get fluent in Hindi. Likewise, start speaking wrong English like a child and then become accurate about it. And the point number 3rd and the most important is you have to speak daily because practice is the key. More you practice, more you get fluent at it. And if you don't have anyone, talk to the Chatgpt voice model. It will help you a lot because it helped me also a lot. So just speak up. Open your mouth and speak English. The more word you will say, the more fluent you will be. Your brain just needs speaking training, speaking muscle training. And remember this line that Manas have said. People don't remember your grammar, they just remember your confidence. If you are confident, no one will notice your grammar. So speak with confidence even with the mistakes. I want to give you a small challenge. So for the next 10 days, you have to create a 5-minute long videos and upload it on YouTube. No one is going to watch it, but this will just create a habit of yourself to speak in English daily. So if this video helped you a little, please like the video. And if you are serious about improving your English, subscribe this channel. I am on my 100 days English speaking challenge. So follow my journey and learn along with me. See you tomorrow on day 12.